Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is OP and I'm going to go over how to change your cabin air filter in your BMW car. Here are the items that you're going to need. The filter itself, a flashlight just to see, a T20 Torx screw, a 10mm socket, and I optionally put some fragrance there just to make it smell nice. So this applies mostly to the BMW F-series, so the F22, F30, F80. You want to start by taking the two 10mm nuts, which are in the footwell of the passenger side. So you take those off and you pull down the panel. Be careful not to pull down the panel too much because there's a wire that you have to detach. So it's not too hard to pull out this wire, just pull straight out. There's going to be two T20 Torx screws that you have to take out. So these two guys over here. So once you take out the two screws, you can see me point to the retaining clip over here. So just pop that out and you're going to see that the filter just slides out. It's going to be kind of dusty if yours is old, so be careful not to get the dust and everything everywhere. Don't forget to note the orientation of the airflow direction. So in this case, it feels like it's coming from inside the cabin towards the front of the car. So you might be asking yourself why I have a syringe here, but this just has fragrance oil. You can use cologne, perfume, whatever. With the air coming in this way, I'm just going to put the fragrance oil on top so that it filters the air and then brings in the cool stuff or the good smelling stuff. You don't need, you can use a spray for this, but I'm just gonna squirt. Seems like I missed. Got a tiny bit more and I will improve my aim by aiming straight down. There we go. All right, so that's done. Be careful not to use too much. Remember the direction that this is going in. So this should be bent kind of that way. I included this clip to kind of show you how hard it was for me to initially get it in. Alright, so the hardest part of this job is actually getting this back in, so I would advise you just pre-bend it so that it makes it easier. So like a lot of other BMW replacement parts, you don't need OEM. You're going to save about $30–40 by buying an aftermarket filter. You just want to go ahead and put everything back to the way they came from. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to connect your 12-volt socket or your lights if you have one. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.